Hello, welcome. Let us discuss and understand about variables and constants in JavaScript. Let me open the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Let me open the project folder that we have created earlier. Click on this icon and click on open folder. Then whatever the folder that you have created earlier, just select that and click on open. Earlier we have created this hello.js file that is already available. Now I will create one more file under this JavaScript learning. I will call it as variables and I call it as const, variables and constants. Earlier variables were declared using var keyword, var x equal to, for example, 10. I can print here console.log x. It should print the value of x, that is 10. Let us save this and run this program. Node variables and const.js. So I needed to properly name this file. So there is an error because I did not add extension JS to it. Let me rename this. Rename .js. Let me clear this and then run the same command again. Now you can see it has printed 10. The problem with this var keyword is, let us say if I declare this variable again using var x equal to 20, it is not throwing any error. If I print now, it will print the value of x 20, but the previous value is lost. If I save and run again, it will print 20. But in Java, if you declare the same variable again, it will throw an error. But here, if you use var, it is not throwing any error. This value is lost. You cannot access. For example, let us say you are having some condition. If 2 greater than 1, then something var x equal to 25. Something like this in the program, if you write, then what will happen is user can accidentally declare the same variable and the value of the previously declared variable is lost already. So this is the problem. Here you can redeclare the same variable again. So var can redeclare same variable again. This way of declaring is no longer used in modern JavaScript. So another way is using the let keyword. I can say here let y equal to 100. I print here console.log y. You can print the value now 100, value of y. Now suppose after this again if I declare let y equal to 200, it is throwing an error here. You can see cannot redeclare a block scoped variable y, right? Like this, it is throwing an error. User cannot accidentally create a same variable and override that value. So this is the advantage of using this let keyword. And for declaring these variables in the modern JavaScript, we use this. We use this in modern JavaScript programming. Scope of this let is block scope. It means, for example, if I say if 20 greater than 10, within this if block, if I declare variable z equal to 10, let us say 11, and then if I try to print that console.log z value, it will throw an error because it is outside of this block. We are trying to access this z. Z is only declared inside this. Let us try to run this program. See, you can see here error z. Z is not defined, it is showing because we are accessing this z outside of this block. Suppose if I move this console.log within the if block, now it will not throw any error. Let us clear this and run the program again. You can see it has printed a value 11. No error now. The scope is within the block. So you can access it within the block. Constant. Constant means you cannot change value. For example, we declare the constant using const keyword. Const a equal to 12. If I try to assign a value to the a equal to 15, then if I try to print this console.log a, it will throw an error because you cannot reassign the value. Let us run this program. You can see assignment to constant variable. This is not allowed. That is the error it has given, type error. It is giving error at this particular line 26 here. It is not allowed. You cannot reassign or change the value of a constant. So this is the use of constant. Just like in Java, you have a final keyword. Here you use constant. Once you use constant, you cannot change its value. So if I run now, I have commented this line, and if I run this program again, now should not be any error. So now it has printed this value of constant value. Also, if you just declare a variable and does not assign any value, then it will be undefined. For example, let m, I am not assigning any value to it. If I try to print this console.log, the value of m will be undefined. Let us try to run this. You can see here undefined is displayed. If you don't assign any value, by default it will be undefined. Let us recap our learning here. We have understood that VAR is a old way of declaring. It has a problem, like user can declare the same variable and old variable will lost. So we are not using this anymore. We use this let keyword to declare the variable, and its scope is a block. Within the block it is accessible, and constant means you cannot change its value. Const keyword we will use. And if you just declare a variable and if you don't assign any value, it will be undefined. We will continue our discussion on JavaScript with some new concept in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.